Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Exotic Infopedia. Today we are about to discuss the car brand that is ultimate iteration of most expensive, exclusive and most luxurious cars in the world. The best way to prove your baller status through a car that screams wealth. We'll discuss Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce was a British luxury car and later an aero-engine manufacturing business established in 1904 in Manchester, UK. By the partnership of Charles Rolls and Henry Royce, building on Royce's reputation established with his cranes, they quickly developed a reputation for superior engineering by manufacturing the best cars in the world. The First World War brought them into manufacturing aero engines. Joint development of jet engine begins in 1940 and they entered production. Rolls-Royce has built an enduring reputation for development and manufacture of engines for defense and civil aircrafts. Henry Royce started an electrical and mechanical business in 1884. He made his first car, a two-cylinder Royce 10, in his Manchester factory in 1904. Henry Royce was introduced to Charles Rolls at Midland Hotel, Manchester on 4th of that year. Rolls was a proprietor of an early motor car dealership, C.S. Rolls & Co. in Fulham. In spite of his preference for 3 or 4-cylinder cars, Rolls was impressed with the Royce 10, and in a subsequent agreement on 23 December 1904, agreed to take all cars Royce could make. During 1906, Royce had been developing an improved 6-cylinder model with more power than the Rolls-Royce 30 horsepower. Initially designated as 40 to 50 horsepower, this was Rolls-Royce's first all-new model. The new 40 to 50 horsepower Phantom replaced the Silver Ghost in 1925. The Phantom 3 introduced in 1936 was the last large pre-war model. A strictly limited production of Phantoms for head of states recommenced in 1950 and continued until the Phantom 6 ended production in late 1980s. In 1940s, a contract was signed with the Packard Motor Car Company in Detroit, Michigan for the production of Merlin aero engines for World War II in the USA. After the war, in 1946, Rolls-Royce and Bentley car production moved to Crewe, a town in England, where they began to assemble complete Rolls-Royce and Bentley cars with the body pressing made by the Pressed Steel Company. Yep, that same future potential rival Bentley. Previously they had built only the chassis, leaving the bodies to specialist coach builders. On the subject of coach builders, in 1939, Rolls-Royce brought one of the specialist coach builder company in-house by buying the remaining capital of Park Ward Limited, which since 1936, in conjunction with Rolls-Royce, had been building short production runs of all-metal saloon bodies on Bentley chassis. In 1959, Rolls-Royce bought coach builder H.J. Mulliner and has two businesses which were put together as H.J. Mulliner Park Ward. The modern-day Rolls-Royce lineup extends from entry-level Ghost to Phantom extended wheelbase, including Wraith, Dawn and Cullinan in between to target different prospective buyers. Can't forget the ultra-limited and exclusive car like Sweptail with nearly $13 million price tag. Best way to tease $3 million Bugatti owners. If you guys want me to make a video on Bugatti, then comment below. First of all, we'll discuss Rolls-Royce Ghost. With the base price of about $320,000, 6.8-litre twin-turbocharged V12, it makes about 563 horsepower and about 627 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 takes about 4.3 seconds and the top speed is about 155 miles per hour. The entry-level Rolls-Royce was being completely redesigned for 2021 model year and also carries some tweaks into 2021 too. It gets its own unique chassis. It has been built upon 7 series frame until this change. The interior also offers gorgeous space for both front and rear seat passengers to relax in comfort. The 2021 Ghost gets fancier appointments and more modern technology than before. The upgrades make this clever luxury car that has no equal from any other brand. Second model that we'll discuss is the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. With the base price of about $340,000 and engine is about 6.8-litre twin-turbocharged V12, it makes about 563 horsepower and 663 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 takes about 4.8 seconds and the top speed is about 155 miles per hour. The newest addition to the Rolls-Royce lineup is the automaker's only SUV. While unapologetically different from anything else on offer, it still stands out as a Rolls-Royce thanks to its distinguishable and familiar rectangular front grille. Its DNA is not just limited to outward appearance, as an opulent interior design element and phenomenal V12 performance that we become familiar with the brand live in this all-terrain automobile. Last but not the least, the Rolls-Royce Phantom with the base price of about $463,000. 6.8-litre twin-turbocharged V12, 563 horsepower and 663 pound-feet of torque 0 to 60 takes about 5 seconds, and the top speed is 155 miles per hour. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is the status symbol car to rule all status symbol cars. Armed with the new platform for 2020 model year, the Phantom has also been designed to be fitted with an EV powertrain in the future. Many say that the Phantom has created its own class of cars for itself, and the new iteration looks to extend that trend for the long run, improving the model now and preparing it for relevancy in the more distant future. In today's world of thousands of exclusive and expensive ultra-limited run rare cars coming out more frequently, Rolls-Royce is still running strong under the BMW's ownership. Owning one still guarantees your baller status. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the content. For more, please make sure to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Peace.